In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view comments on a specific post in Substack. Whether you're a seasoned writer on the platform or just starting on your journey of connecting with your audience, knowing how to manage and engage with comments is essential. So let's dive in and go through each step together in a straightforward, easy to understand way. First things first, you'll need to log into your Substack account. Head over to substack.com, and if you aren't already signed in automatically, click the sign in button. Enter your login details. This will take you to your personal Substack space where all the magic happens. Once you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your dashboard. When it comes to accessing your dashboard, you'll want to start by clicking on your profile icon UM, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. This will present you with a menu where you'll find the Settings option. Click on Settings and then go ahead and select your publication from the list. Now, every setting and feature of your publication is at your fingertips, ready for you to explore. Next, we'll move on to viewing comments on a specific post. Head over to the Posts tab. This is your go-to section for managing all your content. It's here that you'll see a list of all your published pieces. Browse through your posts and click on the title of the one you're interested in. This will take you to the post's detailed page. But we're not done yet. To see the comments, you'll need to click on View Post. Once the post is opened up in full view, you'll be able to see all the wonderful comments your readers have left. This is an invaluable space for engaging with your audience, answering questions, or simply acknowledging their thoughts and feedback. As you familiarize yourself with this part of Substack, you'll notice how intuitive it really is. Engaging in conversations with your readers can greatly enhance their experience as they feel heard and connected to your work. Furthermore, these interactions can provide you with insights into what resonates with your audience, which can be instrumental in guiding your future content strategy. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to view and engage with comments on your Substack posts. Remember, feedback from your audience not only helps you grow, but can also inspire others when you engage thoughtfully. Thanks for tuning in, and happy blogging.